What's up and good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are out here in Glamis, California, and we are working out here at Glamis Fab. We've got a car that we're going to be working on. It's a J35 powered sand limo. It's got some Vtec issues, so we're going to jump over here and get into wiring and maybe get you guys some dune content today. So stick around. So we're going to jump into the wiring on this thing and try to figure out why Vtec ain't working. We'll take a look at the ECU and we'll tone out all these wires going back to the Vtec solenoid, and we'll get it figured out. So the first thing we're going to check now is the oil level. Let's pull the dipstick out. Guys, so we pulled the ECU out. We're going to get this thing open and take a look at it. You know, with these J series motors, there's only one way to make Vtec work. You have to have a specific ECU and modify it. So we're going to take a look at the connectors down there and make sure it's been modified properly. So we got the ECU fixed. I'm going to open it back up and take a look at it. It looks like we're low on oil. We're getting P1259. We got the ECU out, got it open. We did our little trick inside the ECU to make Vtec work, and we're going to fire this thing up right now and see if she works.
I already told Harvey I didn't want to know any secrets. I just want the car to run. That's what I brought it here for.
Working. All right, guys. Well, she's working. We're gonna go give her a test ride here in a minute.
Yes, I count.
Okay, boys, we got it all fixed up. Put a new Vtec pressure switch connector on there. He's gonna go take her for a rip.
Tracks, no, they wouldn't even move.
Right, but let me see how high they are.
So he's about to take this thing for a ride for the first time. He's actually never driven it. The Vtec didn't work when he bought it. Had a couple issues inside the ECU, so we got in there with the soldering iron, fixed it all up, and got Vtec working, and he's going to take it for a rip for the first time. He did bring the paddle tires too, so we may put the paddles on it and go for a little dune rip. We'll take you guys along with us.
Here, go around the corner and make this fucker scowl.
He drove the thing. He wanted me to just keep shooting
we're still out here at Glamis Fab. We got that guy's car all fixed up, got VTEC working, as you could see in the video. But the guy we sold the green car to with the turbo Honda, the car we were going to take on race week, he's out here this weekend too. So he's going to come by the shop. We're going to take that thing for a ride. Now there she is, guys. Sold this car to the homie Anthony. And we're going to go take this thing for a little rip and see how she runs. So you guys remember, I never even got a chance to drive this car before we sold it. So, all right, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Had many faces. I'm trying to move away from my home. OCO digital, punk rock on the radio. Now never play my favorite song. I'll just give it away, no rules, and I'll drop that microphone. Just give it away, no rules, and I'll do this on my own. Just give it away, no reason. Let's try to get along. Just give it away, no rules, and I'll do this on my own. It's publication, that's how it's abomination. Punk rock is needed at every show. My spit's gonna change direction. My friends are drunk wishing they never came out to my show. I'll just give it away, no rules, and I'll jump that microphone. Just give it away, no rules, and I'll do this on my own. Just give it away, no reason. Let's try to get along. Just give it away, no rules, and I'll do this on my own. Song or two, I bust it out with attitude. Have the hope that I will see my glory and glamour is what I need. If I get a chance to live my dream, might be the last thing you ever see. Don't kill your hope and your sanity, because they don't suck, you know what I mean? Just give it away, no rules. Just give it away, no rules. Just give it away, no reason. Just give it away, no rules.
So we're at the end of the season. We got this little rad car, this little old school deal with a beam, little two-seater. It's pretty rowdy. I think it's got a 2275 VW motor in it, and it is for sale. So if anybody's interested, hit us up. And as you can see, everything's pretty much loaded up and ready to head to the shop. This is the twin turbo car. Belongs to my boy Justin. It's going to get a set of rods put in it at the bare minimum this year. It needs rods, and we may even change the turbos and turn it up some. We didn't cover this car very much this season. This is Joe Fab's personal car, his single-seater. It was also for sale. 300 plus horsepower Ecotec, and then you can squeeze it. It makes quite a bit more. This car was actually for sale and nobody bought it, so I think Mr. Fab's going to take this car and cut it up, and he's going to build himself a two-seater. So that's going to wrap up our 2021 dune season out here at Glamis Fab. We want to say thank you to everybody that made this season successful, and we will see you guys all out here next year. This is just the beginning of Dune Addicts automotive shenanigans, so you guys stick around. our dune season is just beginning. We go on summer rides, so stay tuned for a bunch of that. And thank you guys so much for making the 2021 season a successful one. And we will see you guys back here at Glamis Fab in October.